Hello, good day viewers. Let us find a solution to this Olympiad Junior Mathematics question. But before we start, I would like you to take note of all the steps because I am going to ignore them. And we are going to start the solution from the bottom to the top. Okay, the question is 2 minus 1 divided by 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by x, and the whole of this equal to 5, and our main target is to find the value of this x. Okay, as I told you, we are going to begin with the solution from the bottom to the top. So the very first fractions that we need to simplify here are these two fractions, 1 over 4 minus 1 divided by x, and we can do it using butterfly method of addition or subtraction. So we're going to take this x and multiply by 1, and that will give us x. Then we subtract because of this subtraction sign. Then we take 4 multiplied by 1, that will give us 4. Then we divide by the product of 4 and x, which is 4x. So x minus 4 divided by 4x is the simplification of this fraction. But observe, we have 1 divided by the whole of this fraction, which is just the reciprocal of x minus 4 divided by 4x. And this is nothing but, you just have to flip it upside down. We have 4x divided by x minus 4. So I am going to replace this with the whole of this, because I said you should take note of the steps. And this method, I used to call it delete and replace. So let me delete this and replace it with 4x divided by x minus 4. All right, let's continue. Again, we have other two fractions, 1 over 3 minus 4x divided by x minus 4. We are going to perform the same thing. We take the whole of x minus 4 and multiply by 1 using both apply method of addition or subtraction of fractions. That will give us x minus 4. Then we subtract. We take 3 multiplied by 4x, and that will give us 12x. Then we divide by the product. This time the whole of this will give us 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 4 is 12. And this can be further simplified because we have x minus 12x. That will give us negative 11x, then minus 4, divided by 3x minus 12. So this is what we have after simplifying the whole of these two fractions. But again, we have 1 divided by that, which is just the reciprocal of this. This is what I mean. It's like taking the reciprocal of this. All you have to do is to flip it upside down, and that will give us 3x minus 12 divided by negative 11x minus 4. So this is what we are going to replace by the whole of this. Delete, replace. Now let us take this positive 2 to the right, and that will give us 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So I am going to delete this. Also delete this. We have 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. We are almost done. This negative sign can be cancelled, because if we write it as negative the whole of 3x minus 12, we can factor out negative sign here. If you factor out that negative sign, inside we have 11x, then plus 4. So that this will cancel this. The whole of this equal to 3. Now the last step here is to cross multiply. Take this and multiply by this. Then you set it to be equal to this. So the whole of this multiply by this. We have 3 times 11. That will give us 33x. Then plus 3 times 4 is 12. The whole of this is equal to 3x minus 12. Let us bring those that contain variables to the left. We have 33x, then minus 3x as 3x crosses over. And this is equal to negative 12, then negative 12. So this minus this will give us 30x, and this is equal to negative 24. Finally, to find the value of x, we divide both sides by 30. Therefore, x is equal to negative 24 divided by 30. So we can reduce it to the lowest type. Let me see what can go here and here. Let me start with 2. 2 can go here 12 times, and 2 can go into 30 15 times. Let me see, do we have any other smaller number? We have negative 12 over 15 as the value of x, but we can still break it apart because I think 3 can go here 4 times, so this is equal to negative 4. 3 can also go into 15 5 times. So this is the value of x, negative 4 over 5. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.